Hello, dear students of class 4th. How are you? This is Shalini ma'am with your lesson 6 Kindness of Strangers of English Reader. Can you be kind to a stranger? How do you feel when a stranger is not kind to you? यानी क्या आप किसी स्ट्रेंजर के लिए काइंड हो सकते हैं? कैसा लगेगा आपको यदि कोई स्ट्रेंजर आपके लिए काइंड होकर मिले? So here starts your story of Mary and her three sons. She was a single parent. Single parent mean either mother or father. So Mary was bringing up her three sons alone. She worked as a teacher, so she had a modest income, and she and her family spent the money very carefully. She had one eldest son named David. He wanted to earn some money to help the family. So one day he asked her mother to buy a bicycle for him. Because they were earning a very modest income, so her mother asked her, why does he want a bicycle? Then David expressed his wish to deliver pamphlets to earn some money to help the family. Soon the family saved up, and David was the proud owner of a second hand bicycle. One afternoon, Mary asked him to buy some provisions from the supermarket. He very happily went to the supermarket on his bicycle and left it in front of the shop. He forgot something. As sometimes you also forget many things, David also forgot to lock his bicycle. He knew, he didn't know it that he forgot to lock it. When he came out of the shop, he didn't find the bicycle. He was surprised because he was very upset when he didn't find his bicycle out of the shop. He thought it had been stolen. He became very upset and went home back, asked his mother about the theft. They both went to the police station to report the theft. There was no limit of their joy. As soon as they reached the police station, they found their bicycle in the boot of a car. The driver of the car told Mary that he saw a group of boys stealing the bicycle. He at once realized that they were stealing the bicycle. He followed them. The driver was unknown to Mary and David, but he followed those boys and stopped. When they stopped at a traffic light, he told them the bicycle was his. The boys were afraid as they were caught red handed. Now, the driver and the police handed back the bicycle to David after giving him a lecture. They didn't forget to give him a lecture, as every elder does. They gave a lecture on the importance of locking a bicycle because David forgot to lock the bicycle. After ruffling David's hair, the driver quietly slipped away without telling him anything. They, though Mary and David both wanted to give the driver a heartfelt thank for the help the driver gave to them. He didn't give them his mobile number or his address. The Mary and David were very thankful to him because he was a stranger, but still he helped them. So, what do we learn from the story? The value of being a stranger. What should one do? We should be very vigilant and very kind to the strangers, and we should be very aware for the things happening around us. That's all. The chapter is over. I hope you will take it will help you in studying. Bye bye. Thank you.